Hello students, today I am telling you about Flash. To start the Flash we have to go firstly on start button. Okay, click on start button. Then here is Macromedia Flash 8. Click on it. Here you can see this is the Flash window. Okay, this is title bar, this is menu bar, there are menu items. This is the toolbox, these are tools. This is the timeline panel. In timeline panel you can see here many rectangular boxes. These are known as frames. Okay, here on the left hand side you can see a red color rectangular box. This is known as playhead. This playhead moves from left to right when animation is created. Got it? Then on the left hand side of the window, here you can see the layer. By default, here is written layer 1. You can add many layers as you need it by clicking on the I button. Okay, this is the layer 1. So this is the first introduction of the window. Here you can see the properties, filters and parameters. This is the property inspector window. Here you can provided many options, and on the right hand side this is the panel option. On the above right hand side this is library option, and these are the panels. Okay, now I am telling you how to insert a frame. To insert a frame, click on frame under the corresponding number where you need to insert. जहाँ पे आपको frame insert करना है, click on that frame and click on timeline under insert menu. Click on the frame firstly, then go to insert in menu bar and go to timeline and frame option. The new frame will be inserted. Okay, by using timeline you can insert frame or keyframe. Then how to delete a frame? To delete a frame, click on the frame, desired frame that you want to delete, and right click on the selected frame and click on remove frames. Okay, the frame will be removed from here. Then I am telling you how to create a symbol. To create a symbol on the stage, this working area is known as stage. How to create a symbol? Click on the object to select it. Firstly, we will create a object here, like I have drawn this ball. Okay, this is an object. Then I will select this object by selection tool. I have selected this. Okay, then click on convert to symbol in modify. This is the modify option in menu bar. Click on modify, then click to convert to symbol. Then here are three options: movie clip. These are the types of symbol: movie clip, button and graphic. You can rename the symbol. By default here is symbol 1, but you can write the name for a symbol like ball, like circle, anything. And you can also select the type of the symbol. Okay, then click on the desired type like button and then click on OK. Means this object is saved in library as a symbol. This is the library panel. You can see the arrow here. This is the library and this symbol is displayed here in library panel. Okay, now we can create an instance of symbol. How can we create an instance? Then go to the symbol option below the library option. Here is symbol 1. This is the type of button. Click on that option and then move it on the stage. You can see here is an instance of the button symbol 1 or object 1. जो भी object हमने दिया था that is copied. Okay, you can create as many instances you can want. Okay, I have created 2 instances of the symbol 1 and then I can work with these instances. Now I am telling you about animation, how to animate the objects in Flash. So firstly I am telling creating a motion twin animation. Motions means moving an object. To move an object to one side to other, we will firstly draw an object. Okay, I am drawing a ball here. This is the ball. Then right click on the frame till where you want the ball to move and click on insert keyframe. Like I am going to 90 number frame. Okay, then I will right click it and then click on insert keyframe. I have inserted a keyframe and this is displayed by red and black color. You can see here, this is the keyframe. Now click on the first frame. After inserting the keyframe, I will again go to the first frame. Okay, then playhead is back on the first frame. Go to the property inspector. Now we will go to property inspector and here is the option of twin. When I will click this option, I have three options, none, motion and shape, because I needed motion twin in this ball. Then I will click on motion here. Okay, then select the inserted keyframe. I have selected the keyframe on the 19th of frame. Then I will click on this keyframe. Drag the ball to your desired location. I will drag this ball to the other location by firstly selecting it. I will select it and then drag the ball to the desired location, like I have placed at this location. Okay, then I will see the animation by clicking on control menu and test movie. In menu bar, go on control button and then click on test movie. Now you can see I have placed this. Okay, you can see the effect of motion twin. The object was here and for a while, for some time, this will go to the right top. Okay, you can see the changes. This is the motion twin. Now I will tell you about creating a shape twin animation. For creating shape twin animation, we will draw. Firstly, click on frame 1 to select and draw an object. Firstly, we will click on frame 1 and then we will create an object here. Okay, I am drawing a ball again. Then select the last frame and insert a keyframe. Then I will select last frame, like on 95 I am selecting here, and insert a keyframe by clicking on F6. We can insert a keyframe by pressing F6 button also, or we can insert a keyframe by right clicking and then insert keyframe option also. Okay, with last frame still selected, delete the object. Now I will delete the object by pressing delete button and draw a different object. Now I will draw a rectangle in the place of circle. Okay, you can see here. Then select any frame in between from property inspector. Then in between I am clicking on the frame number 50. Okay, then this is the property inspector window. I will click on this is the drop down menu of twin. Okay, then click on shape. You can see here the shape is changing. Okay, you can see the changes by using control and then play. Here you can see the changes. Okay, I am again displaying you control then play. The shape it changes. Okay, this is the shape twin animation. Then last one is creating a frame by frame animation. For creating frame by frame animation, click on the text tool. This is the text tool A. Okay, then click on stage, type the first letter like I am typing S for it. Okay, then select the desired font color and size from the property inspector. You have provided many options here. These are the colors for the letter. Okay, you can change from here anything. Then on the timeline panel, select the next frame. I am selecting the frame number 5 and again right clicking here and then insert keyframe. Okay, now type the next letter like M. I want that M is of different color, then I can change its color also. Okay, then bold, italic, I can give its many effects. This is of red color. Okay, then I will go to the next frame like 10th number frame and then right click here, insert keyframe again and then write the next letter I. Then again on next frame click on insert keyframe, then type the next letter L. Then again click on next frame, right click on it and insert keyframe and type the last letter E. Okay, then I want to change the color of E, then select it, go to the color option from property inspector and choose the color for it. Now this is in green color. Okay, then I have typed all the letters. Then view the animation by using control and play. Here you can see the animation effect. control and play. Okay, thanks students, your chapter have been completed. Try to do this. Thank you and have a nice day.